Is the Edelweiss Life Guaranteed Flexi Star Plan genuinely a flexible star in guaranteed income or just a conservative savings product with limited upside? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So this is an individual, non-linked, non-participating savings life insurance product. So some of the key features of the policy are: it provides you with life insurance cover to protect your family's financial future. It offers stable, assured returns, which is payable either as a lump sum or as a lump sum combined with regular income. And it also allows for extensive customization through multiple plan options, policy terms, premium payment terms, income levels, income duration, and the chosen income start year. So it enables you to enhance protection by adding riders at an additional cost. So these are some of the key features of the policy, and there are benefits like death benefit and survival benefit and maturity benefit, which will differ based on the plan option you have opted for. So some of the advantages are: loan facilities available up to 60% of the policy surrender value. You get enhanced protection through optional riders. There are tax benefits available as well. So some of the disadvantages are: the sum assured may not be adequate to fully address your family's future financial requirements. The returns offered are relatively modest, and after selection, the survival benefit cannot be deferred. So these are some of the drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. So now, as we have a basic idea about the policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video. But still, if you want to know more about certain aspects of the policy in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure as well. So in the analysis part of the video, to conduct an IRR analysis, we are going to take the policy brochure's benefit illustration as an example for calculation to help us make a more informed decision. So here, for example purpose, let us consider that a 35-year-old male has opted for this policy with a sum assured of 10 lakhs. The policy term is 25 years with a premium payment term of 10 years and an annual premium of 1 lakh. The policyholder has chosen the lump sum option. Under the structure, after completing the premium payments, a lump sum maturity benefit is paid at the end of the policy term. In this scenario, the maturity value works out to be 30.85 lakhs, translating to an IRR of approximately 5.59% as per the policy's maturity calculator. At this level of return, the maturity corpus is unlikely to be sufficient to meet long-term financial goals, especially as the return fails to outpace inflation. From a long-term investment perspective, the plan does not deliver inflation-beating growth. In addition, the sum assured remains inadequate to provide meaningful financial protection. Overall, the combination of insufficient life cover and relatively low investment returns makes this policy an unattractive proposition for investors. So as we know that this policy does not give us the desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to a comparative analysis where instead of combining insurance and investment under one policy like Edelweiss does, we are going to separately invest in both these components to see whether that can give us better returns. And here we are going to use same or similar assumptions from the previous example for a much more fair comparison. So here, for life cover purpose, we have taken up a pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of 10 lakhs, which would require an annual premium of approximately 9,750 rupees. With a policy term of 25 years and a premium payment term of 10 years, the structure frees up 90,250 rupees from the original 1 lakh annual outgo for investments. So investment choices should align with an individual's risk profile. Investors with a lower risk appetite may prefer debt-oriented instruments, while those willing to assume higher risk may allocate more towards equities. So in this example, PPF is considered for the debt portion and an equity mutual fund scheme for the equity allocation. We have taken up both scenarios for your easy reference here. For the PPF investment, adjustments are made in the later years to meet the minimum investment requirement of 500 rupees over a 15-year period. The investment accumulates to a maturity value of 37.52 lakh, delivering an IRR of 6.58%. The equity mutual fund investment grows to a pre-tax value of 97.09 lakhs at maturity. After accounting for capital gains tax, the post-tax corpus stands at 86.23 lakhs. So the combined post-tax IRR for the equity investment along with the pure term life insurance policy works out to be 10.85%. And if you have any doubts regarding how we have calculated the tax for equity mutual fund, you can find that we have presented a small tabular column on the screen for your easy reference, which you can pause and see. So this return comfortably outpaces inflation, enabling the creation of a significantly larger corpus, and moreover, the strategy offers superior liquidity, allowing partial or full redemptions based on financial needs. So considering the relatively poor returns, inadequate life cover, and the mismatch between investor needs and product structure, the Edelweiss policy appears unattractive from an investor standpoint. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the Edelweiss life guaranteed Flexi Star plan worth it or not? So this policy combines life insurance with an investment component and offers flexibility in receiving benefits either as a lump sum at maturity or as regular income payouts. While the plan assures guaranteed benefits, the returns generated are not strong enough to make it a compelling investment choice. Guaranteed payouts can create the perception that long-term financial goals will be met as planned. However, inflation remains a critical risk in long-term planning. To build an adequate corpus, investment returns must consistently outpace inflation. This is where the Edelweiss policy falls short, and it also has a high agent commission. The relatively low returns and inadequate life cover stems primarily from the bundling of insurance and investment within a single product. A more efficient approach is to separate these objectives by choosing a pure term life insurance policy for protection and investing independently to meet life goals. So pure term plans provide substantial coverage at low premiums, while a well constructed diversified investment portfolio can better support long term financial objectives.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.